Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, No Logic. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos. Today we're diving into the fascinating journey of how coffee is made, from bean to cup. Coffee is one of the most beloved beverages around the world. But have you ever wondered how those tiny beans are transformed into your favorite drink? The journey of coffee begins in lush, tropical regions known as the Coffee Belt. This belt includes countries like Brazil, Colombia, Ethiopia, and Vietnam. Coffee plants thrive in these areas where the climate is perfect for growing high-quality coffee beans. Coffee starts as cherries on a coffee tree. These cherries are harvested by hand, often by skilled laborers. The cherries need to be picked at just the right time for the best flavor. Inside each cherry are 2 coffee beans surrounded by pulp and a protective layer called parchment. Once harvested, the cherries undergo processing to remove the beans. There are 2 main methods, the dry process and the wet process. In the dry process, cherries are spread out in the sun to dry. This method is often used in regions with limited water. The wet process involves washing the cherries to remove the pulp before drying. This method can produce a cleaner, brighter flavor profile. After processing, the beans are dried to reduce their moisture content to about 10 to 12%. The dried beans, now called parchment coffee, are then hulled to remove the parchment layer, resulting in green coffee beans. The green coffee beans are sorted and graded based on size, weight, and color. This ensures that only the best beans make it to the next stage. Roasting is where the magic happens. Green coffee beans are roasted at high temperatures, transforming them into the aromatic brown beans we know and love. The level of roast affects the flavor profile of the coffee. Light roasts retain more of the beans' original flavors, while dark roasts bring out deeper, richer notes. Once roasted, the beans are ground to the desired consistency. The grind size depends on the brewing method, coarse for French press, medium for drip coffee, and fine for espresso. Brewing is the final step. There are many ways to brew coffee, each bringing out unique flavors. Popular methods include pour-over, French press, and espresso. The key is to find the method that suits your taste preferences. And there you have it. From bean to cup, the journey of coffee is truly remarkable. Now it's time to sit back, relax, and enjoy your perfect cup of coffee.